What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly. Guys, today I am back again for the next YouTube video. Alright guys, as you can see by title and the thumbnail, today we'll be doing an update on the back to school treat. I am very excited. But guys, one of my wonderful subscribers did reach out. I call her Miss Angie. Like, she's so sweet, guys. Honestly, she actually told me to make an Amazon wish list, and I go ahead and I did that, and she actually bought 4 things. So make everybody in the comment section just say a big thank you to Miss Angie. Like, she is such a motivator. Like, she even pushed me to keep going and continue this. Let me give you a rundown and everything. Yeah, I decided that I want to do a back to school treat for my community, but I have not reached my goal as yet. So I decided to make a video and post. Hey guys, it's me, Kelly Toon, otherwise known as the Kelly Effect. So guys, I am actually planning a back to school treat for my community. Like not necessarily just treat, they eat ice cream and go home. Like, one of the school bags, supplies, pencil, book, whatever it is. And not just that, guys, I am actually planning to do it every single year. Next year I know it's gonna be bigger because I'm gonna be more ready. This is my first ever event, so I'm very excited. But yeah, I'm gonna do it every single year, even when in the future God's will me start to travel or go places, you know. Even if I'm not in Jamaica at the moment, the event shall go on. It must keep going regardless wherever I'm at on the earth. The event will keep going each year. So that is my goal. Well, that is one of my goals. But yeah guys, the Amazon wishlist is down in my comment section. It's in my description, so check the comment section and description if you want to support in any type of way. And guys, also I am going to put the donation link in the comments. Yes. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the donation link down in the comment section and also in the description. So if any one of my subscribers would like to support in any different type of way, if any one of my lovely subscribers have any wonderful ideas that you guys have in mind, any thoughts on the event, like what do you guys have any thoughts on the event, don't be afraid to contact me, let me know guys. And also guys, please subscribe to Miss Angie's channel. Like, subscribe. Like, if you don't do nothing else guys, please subscribe, share, comment, go to her channel, subscribe and share. And guys, this is gonna be my last in real life video on Kelly Toon. So if you want to see like everything, because I'm gonna record everything when I go shopping for this one, I go shopping for that one, I collect, you know what I'm saying, the day of the event sometime in August. Please go to the Kelly Effect to see everything, because this is gonna be the last video. And if you want to see me not really post on the Kelly Toons, just know I'm busy. I'm trying to get this event out the way, because guys, it must be done. It have to do me, sorry, like it have to do. So I'm gonna be busy, of course. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. So I'm not gonna be on Kelly Toons as much as possible. So if you want to see everything, me traveling, going here, going there, come over to the Kelly Effect to see everything. Oh, it's not like Rena comes so. Oh my gosh. Here's my store. Guys, Rena come. Guys, Rena actually come for you. I have to plug out this. I don't want to shock up. But anyways, like I was saying, only one issue I'm having, and an issue with the bag them. I don't know exactly when we can get the bag them for anything cheaper, because I want to get them in a bulk, like a lot. I know that the first event not gonna be as good as the second one, but I at least want some good amount of bags. So if you have any idea or any places, or you know of anybody or anywhere where we can get bags at good prices, do not hesitate to contact me on this number guys. Text me on WhatsApp. I only use WhatsApp. Text me on WhatsApp and let me know guys, because right now at the moment I need to start packing up bags in order. If you know anywhere they have bag in a bulk at good prices, text me on WhatsApp and let me know, or even comment it down below if you know anywhere where we can get bags at good prices, please, because we need to get this thing going. For now we have pencil, sharpener, rubber, ruler, them little something there, thanks to Miss Angie. At the end of the event, I'm planning to give some gift bags to the kids. Something cute, something nice. I guess I always want to do something. They always seem so fun. and so cool. But like I was saying, this will be the last video on this channel. If you want to see the journey on how everything is gonna play out, me going shopping for buy cake, ice cream, whatever it is that I'm gonna get for the kids, you have to come over the Kelly Effect to see that, because everything is not gonna be posted. Because remember guys, this is a cartoon channel. The only reason why I post on this channel, so you guys, which is my supporters, will be notified on what's going on with the Kelly Effect or Kelly Tunes. Guys, a next reminder, if you guys know of any way I can make any type of other wish list at a better price or different price range, guys, again, do not hesitate to let me know. But I went ahead and make a wish list with stuff that kids will need for school. Guys, more this be good. As much as it's my first event and everything organized, everything kind of move quick, I still want to do as good as possible. And for my subscribers that want to support but not in a huge way or no crazy thing, like a $1 or $2, even a $5, whatever it is, my donation link will be down in the description and also in the comment section. Whatever it is, guys, $1 can get some, so do not feel bad or feel doubtful in your heart because saying $1. That's okay, that's good, that's great, that's amazing. Like, guys will not understand, it's not just about keeping an event for kids in my community. It's more than that. Guys, I'm gonna show you something very serious. I already start planting tree them for my future big mansion I'm gonna build. I wanna think a joke, a serious something I tell them. I already start plant the tree them when I want on my land. I'm giving you a close up. Alright guys, so this is orange tree. Orange tree, 1, 2, 3 orange tree. And that over there, so I make 4 orange tree. And them are a jackfruit tree. So I have, look at it grow. I have 1, 2, 3 jackfruit tree and 1 pear tree, because of course we have to get pear tree, and we have an apple tree right here. So well, 2 apple tree. So that's what we're working with so far. Guys, when we get older or whenever it is or whenever time comes, I want a big house in a middle. I want 3 or 4 trees at the side, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a house in a middle, so I can just step out that door to pick orange, step out that door to pick apple, whatever it is. So guys, and it's so crazy because the tree them will grow with me. Like, it's everything is a journey, everything is a process. So I'm actually very excited. I cannot wait. Right now it might look crazy or really should really do that, but guys, the future is ahead. But yeah guys, that's about it. Don't forget to dream big, and dream big because you will only be this age once, regardless what anybody wants to say in this world. You know and you know yourself. So this is the end of this video. Before you guys go, do not forget to subscribe to Miss Angie channel. Guys, subscribe to her channel, show her some love, and share up our channel and comment down below and let you know how good she is and how big these kids smile are gonna be just because of what she do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to come over the Kelly Effect to see everything, the journey, how everything is going. So look a bit more and later.